welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Nikki. Today we are going to be making some grilled chicken with Pico de Gallo. It's such a simple recipe, however, this is the first time that I am showing you. You have to prep a day in advance. You want to let the Pico de Gallo as well as the chicken really marinate and just get all of the ingredients combined so well together overnight. So this first half of the video is going to be the prep work, and then tomorrow, same video, don't worry, I will be coming back to show you how to actually cook and prepare this food. So for the Pico de Gallo, we need 4 plum tomatoes, 1 small white onion, half a cup of loosely packed cilantro leaves, 1.5 tablespoons of lime juice. We need half a teaspoon of pepper and half a teaspoon of salt. Now, if you want to, you are able to add some jalapeños to the Pico de Gallo. Because of my pepper allergy, I am not doing that. However, if you wanted to add some jalapeños, all you need is just 1 jalapeno nicely chopped. So for the chicken itself, you need 4 chicken breasts. I kept these thawed because I'm going to be butterflying them and kind of like cutting them in half so they cook a little bit quicker for tomorrow. We also need a 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using grapeseed oil just because that's what we prefer. We need 4 garlic cloves. You want to mince these. If you don't want to use fresh garlic, you are more than welcome to get like the little jar that's already minced. We need 1.25 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and we need an entire zest of the lemon. So if we're gonna do this entire lemon, you need everything that's on there. So that's what we need. Let's go prep. To prepare the Pico de Gallo, toss all the ingredients in a medium-sized bowl until evenly combined. Place into an airtight container and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. I prefer using lock and lock because it seals everything so nicely and no air or moisture gets in. To prepare the chicken, place all the ingredients into a large zip-tight bag. Gently toss so the marinade evenly coats the chicken. You then want to place that in a bowl in the refrigerator and marinate for at least 8 hours or up to 12 hours. So that is the prep work for the Pico de Gallo. It's a little tedious. It does take a little bit of time. However, once we cook it tomorrow and you eat it, all of that hard work and all of that prep is really going to pay off. So I'll be back tomorrow to shoot the rest of this video. Day 2, which means it's time to grill the chicken and get ready for serving it, and I'm very excited today. So I am going to be using our Blackstone grill. You can use a regular grill, you can use an indoor smokeless grill. You're just grilling the chicken is what it's going to come down to. This part takes no time at all, and I'm very excited for you guys to see the end result. So let's cook this chicken. Preheat the grill to high. Place the chicken breast onto the hot grill and cook for 4 to 5 minutes until char marks appear. Flip the chicken and cook until an instant red thermometer inserted in the chicken reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You can either top each chicken breast with Pico de Gallo or have the Pico de Gallo on the side. Here is the finished product. You don't have to put the Pico de Gallo on every piece of chicken. I just put it on a couple just to show you how it would look. So you can have it on the chicken, you can have it on the side. It doesn't matter. Either way, the flavors are really going to mesh, and it's really going to just open up your taste buds and what you want, you wanting more. So, like always, if you try this recipe, comment below. Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in the next video.